Hello again. Here's some information about how to use the group discussion board. I'd like to remind you that this is 10% of your final grade. So make sure you don't skip any of the discussion boards. Why did I choose to have a group discussion board versus just a plain discussion board? When I teach face-to-face, I often use groups to encourage the students to interact with one another. So I'm trying to duplicate that in an online environment. This means that you are randomly assigned to a group and you're going to work with 4 or 5 other people. You're going to see their comments and they will be able to see your comments. Why so many questions? Well, if you logged in and you looked at the discussion board for this week, you notice that I have 4 questions, and I am aware that's a lot of questions, especially as for 2 of them I'm asking you to write at least 100 words. This is just because it's the first week of class, so I'm trying to learn a little bit about you and to get you started. Also, you don't have any other writing assignments this week. I'm just asking you to do one more assignment, and that does not involve much writing. So that's why this week you have a lot of questions, but in the future you will have a maximum of 2 questions. I did not assign a discussion board every week because sometimes you'll be busy writing something else that involves more than just a paragraph. So whenever you have to write a draft or submit a final project, you don't have to do a discussion board. So always check the syllabus and make sure you're submitting the discussion board on the weeks when we have a discussion board due. When are the postings due? Initially, I wanted to have Sunday to look at your postings, but one of you contacted me and expressed concern about the time frame. So let's do this. Answer the questions I post by each Thursday on the weeks when we have a discussion board. Then go back, see what your colleagues have posted, and then reply to at least 2 of your colleagues by each Sunday. You could post as many replies as you want, but you have to have at least 2 to get a point. So let's say one week you answer my questions, but you forget to go back and leave comments for your peers. What happens then? Well, you only get half of the points assigned for that particular week for the discussion board. So make sure you remember to go back and comment. How should you answer my questions? Well, most of the questions will be about the reading you've covered during that particular week, which means that I'm interested in 2 things. First, I want to see that you did spend time reading, and second, I want to see that you can form an opinion about that reading, that you can apply critical thinking skills when addressing that question. So I'm interested in your opinion about the issue, but I'm also interested in seeing that you know how to summarize the issue because you covered the reading. One difficulty with the discussion board is just navigating it. The rest of this presentation will explain to you how to get to your discussion board question so you can post your answers. This is step 1. Go to week 1 if this is week 1, or week 2 if this is week 2. So look for that particular week on Blackboard, and you should see an icon that says discussion group. Click on that and you should see your group, and then please click on your group. You'll see your group members, and this is just one example, and right underneath their names you'll see group discussion board. Please click on that and it will take you to your discussion group, and you'll see the directions there. Please click on where it says discussion group 1 if that's your group, and you'll see the list of questions. Click on question 1 to post the answer for question 1, and this is what you're gonna see. Read the question, then click reply. It will take you to this screen. Write your reply to that particular question, and then make sure you click submit and not save draft. If you don't click submit, I can't see your post and I can't give you the points for it. Once you're done answering this question, go back and answer the next question, and so on. When you go in to respond to your peers' comments, again, just use the reply button. This is the process you have to follow. If you have questions, do email me. I wish the discussion board was more user-friendly. It's not. And we'll just have to put up with it, I guess. If you get stuck and you can't post your answer, just let me know and I'll help you with that. Again, just email me.